I never thought love would find me again, but the universe had other plans. And when he stayed, my heart finally woke up. It's about time, it's about time, now he's all mine. It's about time, now he's, it's about time, it's about time, now he's all mine. I just can't believe it, this feels just like a dream. Don't wanna wake up, I'm in bliss, or so it seems. I've come a long way, struggled day after day, but finally the universe listened and sent my soulmate my way. It's about time, now he's just about time. Yes, he really loves me, I'm floating on the cloud. In a crowd, he's here to protect me, to love me, now he's mine. I'm just so damn happy and grateful. It's about time, now he's about time. It's about time, now he's all mine. Yeah, I used to guard my heart, afraid of being hurt again, but every promise that he made, he kept it to the end. He held me through my worries, wiped the teardrops from my eyes, showed me love ain't just a fantasy, it's real and never dies. Now every day feels brighter. Ooh, his devotion is divine. It's about time, now he's about time. He held my heart so gently, like it's made of moonlight beams. Turned all my fears to whispers, healed the spaces in between. And when he looks into my eyes, the stars begin to shine. His destiny is cosmic love, and now his soul is tied to mine. I just can't believe it, this feels just like a dream. Day, but finally the universe listened and sent my soulmate my way. Yes, he really loves me, I'm floating on a cloud, and he adores me, no longer lost in the crowd. He's here to protect me, to love me, now he's mine. I'm just so damn happy and grateful.